Okay, so I couldn't find my book for a few days because I put it in my backpack. So anyway, here we are back at the beginning of Mountaineer. ヤザンカは山にある小屋で暮らしています。So the mountaineer 小屋で something about going on the mountains. The mountaineer lives in his hut on the mountains. So probably kuya is hut. De kurashiteimasu. Okay. 一人で元気に暮らしています。So he lives alone and a healthy life. He lives alone and has a very healthy life. Let's see. 毎朝3時間山を登ります。So every morning at 3, the mountain, he climbs the mountain? Every morning he goes on a hike for 3 hours. So I guess he goes on a mountain hike because it has yama in there. That always throws me off. Okay. そして野菜を育てて食べています。Therefore, I need to look up そして. I say this every time. そして vegetables を育て something about vegetables and eating them. He grows vegetables, so he grows them and he eats them. 登山家は病院に行ったことがありません。The mountaineer has never gone to the hospital. Yep, the mountaineer has never been to the hospital before. とても元気なので病気になってことがありません。Something about he's never been sick. Because he lives a healthy life, he has never gotten sick. 今日も昼にキノコを取りに行きます。Today he's going to pick mushrooms, I think is what it is. This afternoon, he's going to pick mushrooms in the mountains, which it doesn't say mountains, so 登山家はキノコにてよく知っています。He often goes to pick mushrooms? Oh, the mountaineer knows a lot about mushrooms. Okay. 食べれるキノコと食べれないキノコがあります。There are some mushrooms you can eat and some that you cannot. その夜、登山家は病気になって初めて救急車を電話で呼びました。That night, the mountaineer called the doctor Byoki ni natte. Something about the doctor, and he called an ambulance. That night he got sick and called an ambulance for the first time. Byoin ni tsuita toki, isha wa iimashita. Something about the doctor. When he got to the doctor? When he arrived, byoin, sorry. When he arrived at the hospital, the doctor said, Taberarenai, kinoko o tabemasen ka? Did you eat an inedible mushroom? Kinoko wa tottemo kiken na no te ki o tsurekudasai. Something about the mushroom. You have to be careful since mushrooms can be very dangerous. Demo mo demo mo daijoubu desu, but you're fine. Demo mega waruku natte imasu, but your eyes are bad. But your eyes are getting weak. Shitte imashita ka? Did you know that? Shitte imashita ka? Yasunda hou ga ii desu yo. You should take a good rest. Soshite, tozanka wa maitoshi byouin ite kenko shindan o ukemasu. Now, the mountaineer goes to the doctor every year to receive a checkup. And that, my friends, is the whole story of Mountaineer in one reading. Holler, pretty pleased with that.